Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it is day 3 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And today's sketch is brought to us by Sarah Davies. And I've got it up on the screen, and it's a really fun sketch. I don't ever use circles much, so this is challenging me, but I think it's okay. So, I have my photos, my stickers for my title and all my embellishments, and I'm just going to get on with it, and then I'll come back at the end, have a little chat, and let's go. Okay, there is my completed layout. That was lots of fun. I inked around the edge of this circle and then didn't like it was too dark. So then I went around it with started using my scissors. No, I didn't. Maybe I just used my edge distresser. But it still has that little dark edge to it, but it's not too bad because it is distressed, I guess. And then I wanted to distress my little paper strips, but it was so hard to hold the strips and use this, so I dug out the scissors to distress the paper strips, and that worked quite well. I didn't ink them because I didn't want to introduce too much more darkness, and I guess in the end this sort of picks up the black on the matting, so it's okay, and the black in the semi-title, no, what's it called? Yeah, words are hard. Subtitle, that's the word I'm after. Oh my goodness. Okay, what else? My title blends in with the paper. I didn't want it to stand out too much. I wanted it to still keep that subtle type of look, which worked out really well. I made it hard for myself though, putting it on the inside of the circle rather than the outside of the circle, because trying to get it look like it naturally curves is really hard. Doing it on the outside, you've got the circle to follow, is really easy, but when you have to have your letters away from the edge to allow for like your D's, and you can't put them right up to the edge of the circle, you have to sort of guess the angle and the spacing, but I think they're not too bad. I think that turned out all right. And then I just added some of the what are they, glass something, fake glass, sea glass type of look embellishments in place of enamel dots, because I don't know where else I would use those. So anyway, and the title says Living in Paradise, and that's where I live, so it's absolutely stunning. And I have really, I've really enjoyed this sketch. It was lots and lots of fun. So if you want to see what everyone else has done with Sarah's sketch, then make sure you check out the playlist below. Also, if you've liked this video, please give me the thumbs up so I know you've liked it. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button as well. And also, if you don't mind, hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.